So I want to do a real quick video about Bitcoin and the Z-score trade that I just took. Why did I took this trade? I went long Bitcoin because the Z-score right here, you see, is negative 3.5. That means that in the we are on the 15 minutes chart, and Bitcoin negative 3.5 means it is 3.5 standard deviation from its mean, from where it should trade on the 15 minutes chart for the last, let me see what we got, 168 bars of 15 minutes, comes to about a day and a half, give or take. So in the last 36 hours, roughly the mean, okay, I'm talking about statistical arbitrage, the mean for Bitcoin was around 16,800, let's call it roughly, and then it went down all the way. Look at this number on the left. If you focus your eyes on the left, negative 5 point, I don't think I ever seen this number, negative 5.6%. So the bottom, for at least for the last 36 hours, the bottom was 16,630, okay, for Bitcoin, and now we got long. That's all the indicator does. The indicator that the ChatGPT wrote me, basically told me, hey, go long on a Bitcoin or any other coin for that matter when the Z-score is below 3. Now we got Bitcoin below 5, which is insane. I do need to adjust the settings. 168, I think it's too little. Probably would need to do like 300 or something for the last 72 hours, something like that. But for now, for the 15 minutes chart, it told us, hey, go long Bitcoin and close the trade. For now, it's 16,808, but it does get adjusted, okay? It does get adjusted with time. Of course, it's not perfect. Of course, it can keep going down, and of course, the Z-score can go up and the price can go down. It doesn't matter. This is just one indicator that makes you a better trader. You need, I follow No Nonsense Forex Way. He has 2 confirmation indicators, so this could be one of them, plus volume indicator, plus ATR, average true range, etc., etc. We will do all that in 2023. But for now, while everyone are super scared that Bitcoin is going to zero, on the 15 minutes chart, the Z-score, the standard deviation was way off balance, and that just told me that it needs to go up, and it's up for like 20 bucks for now, 15-20 bucks. It's not a big deal, but we'll see what we got. We also got this signal, but you see this signal was at 4.6, same thing, 4.6. Take a short and close the short if you're just scalping right here at 16.8. I didn't do Ethereum. Because Ethereum basically went to same thing in this fall from 12.25. It doesn't move a lot in this last week of the year, but basically Ethereum is also negative 3.7 in here, and you see you take the trade right here at 12.07, and now it's 12.08. It doesn't move a lot, but the Z-score is starting to move higher. So we'll see where this will take us. I want to know about other coins, if it also works. Let's say for GMX, for the 10% off. As of now, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Uniswap. So let's check the other two. If we got Uniswap, look at this beauty. Uniswap, we got 3.33 positive Z-score. This was on Tuesday, 10 in the morning. A few hours ago, you could take the trade short, okay, and you didn't get it here, so you got it around here, let's say 528 short, and we are now, and you close the trade at 519. Basically once it goes back to zero, and that's pretty nice. And now the Z-score is negative 2.46, so we might get I don't know, around $5. It will be negative 3 standard deviation from its mean, and maybe a lot of people whales will buy Uniswap. I don't know, but so far this indicator is pretty good. It's not enough to trade this by itself. Okay, so as I said, have more confirmation. Let's go over chaining. We're also gonna check that I'm recording, which I am. Let's change this. So let's see what we got for chaining. We just got a trade signal here. Look at this. Negative. If you look again, look at the left, negative 4.25. Okay, 4.25 negative. That means that's crazy. That means that this is super volatile. For the 15 minutes chart, Chainlink was trading at more than 4 standard deviation away from its mean, which means it's like, I don't know, like 99.9% or something away from where it should trade based on the historic data of the last 168 bars of 15 minutes. Okay, that's all that it says. It doesn't mean that it's not gonna go down more. That's why you need extra confirmation indicators. But to me, that's a good sign to just go long. And they gave us the long at 590, 589. Let's call it 590 right here, give or take. And we are now at 588. So you see the price, even that you got long in here, still went down to 587, 588. You wait for it to play and go up. And let's see the Bitcoin, because now I see the price is a little higher. 16,670. That's 16,675. As I said, the bottom was here, okay, at 16,630. But theoretically, you get, if you follow this chart, if you don't just wait for a green sign to pop, you could have take this trade basically around 16,630. Now it's 16,682. Wow. So it keeps going up and up. That's good. That's like 50 points. 50 points from, I don't know, the last 20 minutes or so. If we do the math, 16 divided by 16, 680, 0.3%. Okay, so you made 0.3%, but you're on the right track, and you either close the trade when you are, I don't know, make it 7 standard deviation away from its mean, or when you get liquidated, or for me, when the trade reaches this point again will change. This point will change, 16,811. But for now, it seems pretty wild, so I will let it ride. Anyway, that's what I have for you. It's still only 3 standard deviation to the negative. So to me, this is a bullish sign. I'll see you guys next time.